and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I picked for my Ipsy Plus for November 2020. I have to say that I am highly disappointed this month. Highly disappointed. I actually just unbagged my PR Ipsy and they knocked it out of the park compared to last month. You guys know I preferred my purchase bags over my Ipsy bags, but so far, my plus sucks. And I'm just being completely honest. So we're gonna go through my choices that I had as well as some of my subscribers' choices. And some people got way better picks than me. I'm just saying, I'm a little jealous, but it's okay because I got some of the items that I really wanted in my Ipsy bag. So for that, I'm thankful. So I'm content and happy with, you know, Ipsy in general. But like the fact that if I didn't have Ipsy send me bags, I would have been really mad because I can't even shop add-ons. It gives me the spinning circle of death. Look, it's the next day and let me show you. Let's go to Ipsy and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. This happened to me with the picks last month where it wasn't until 9 o'clock around that time that I was able to pick any of my Ipsy picks. I was really annoyed. So now it's doing it for my add-ons. My Ipsy picks I could pick right away, but for my add-ons, watch. Add-ons, wait, there we go. Click, did I click? Yeah. Okay, it just does this. This is all it does, okay? It just spins and spins and spins and spins and spins and spins. And then I don't get to do any add-ons and I cry because I get really sad. I don't even know what the add-ons were. I have no idea. I didn't get to look. Now this intro, very, very long. So if you are enjoying these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, I would like to mention really, really quick that I do have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on right now. So if that is something you're interested in, it will be linked at the top of my description. Anyways, let's get into my disastrous plus bag. Now, I've seen over the social medias, a lot of people hated their choices and like a little slight few loved their picks. So I feel like it's kind of like, you know, not liking it this month. So far since the picks, we liked it, we hated it, we liked it, we hated it, we liked it, we hated it, we liked it, we hated it. You know what I mean? It's like it hasn't been a consistent like. It's been like a love, hate, love, hate, love, hate. You know what I mean? So anyways, let's go ahead and let's see what Ipsy picked for me. So Ipsy picked the Complex Culture Full-Time Eyeshadow Palette Edit 1. So I assume there's gonna be more. That is Ipsy's brand. We've seen the brushes. We love the brushes. And we're getting makeup now, so cool. Love to see that, I guess. The palette looks really, really pretty. I like the shimmers at the bottom and then that top corner. Cute. And then they sent me another product, and then, well, they picked me another product, the Silk Bronzing Base and Brush. This is something I don't want. Just the color in itself, like just swatched on the back of like whatever they have it swatched on, looks way too rich for me. So this is something I know I'm never gonna use. So that kind of sucks, but I'm sure I'll keep the brush and use that. So let's go ahead and choose our first product, shall we? So, Item Beauty Lip Glaze in Say Halo, and an Item Lip Glaze in Desert Weekend, and another lip glaze in Lunar Drop. So we have 3 lip products in this category. Okay. And then the Tula Skincare Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. And then we have the Color Plus Contour Bronzer Stick in Brazilian Bronze, and the Cheyenne B Miami Mini Miami Eyeshadow Palette. I already have the Tristique Color and Contour Bronze thing. I've received the Mini Miami eyeshadow palette, which I had in the giveaway and I gave away. So obviously the only item that I wanted was the Tula Skincare Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. I mean, that was a given. That was the only one that I would be interested in having. I don't know who Item Beauty is, so I'm just like, meh, I'm not really interested in trying something from a brand at this moment that I don't know. And the colors just don't speak to me as like lip colors. They look more like eyeshadow, if I'm being honest. So I wasn't into those. So, you know, Tula was just, it was a given, okay? Now choose your second product. So this one, I only had 4 choices. So I had 3 different lip colors from Complex Culture. The Deal Closer Tinted Lip Cream in Espresso, and in Rusty Rose and Mauve Nude. Now these look really, really pretty, but also like, I'm not really ready to try the Complex Culture brand yet because I'm just, you know, I don't want to pick it. it. So anyways, I went ahead and picked another Given Tula Skincare I Feel Amazing Cooling and Brightening masks. So I picked that. I loved the last Tula masks I had and I used them fairly quickly, I think. But I don't know, I'm like having this big love relationship with Tula Skincare lately that I'm just like, I gotta have it all. But I mean, if I didn't have, you know, the mask as an option, I probably would have picked the Mauve Nude shade. But like the lip products, you know, I mean, that's a lot, especially because it's mask time. We've been masked up for a long time. So why are we getting just about only lip options? No, thank you. And then choose your third product. Now this one was a little like meh, but also I wasn't like mad at it. So we have the two products from Julep, the cream to powder eyeshadow sticks in 2 different colors, the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask, and the Flesh Touch Flesh Highlighter Balm in Pinky. Well, I know Flesh is a great brand, but I know that little highlighter balm is not going to probably match my skin tone at all and give me a dark cast. Another lip product. I don't need a lip mask, so alright. And so I really wanted to try the Julep cream to eyeshadow sticks. So this one I was just like, okay, this is okay. This is an okay choice for me. So I picked the first one, which is this lighter color. So I'm actually really excited to try that because I was intrigued by the cream to powder, you know, situation. So that I'm excited about. Good job. So that's my bag. That's my bag. I mean, I'm not mad at my bag. Like I'm happy with my 2 Tula products and my eyeshadow stick, and I'm okay with the Complex Culture eyeshadow palette and the brush, but I don't like any of the other choices they gave me. I pretty much picked the needle in the haystack with every single category. Like everything else I just did not want. So it was like, thank God there was one item that was okay and good enough to get. You guys know what I mean? Do you feel me? You see what I'm trying to say? Like there was just that one good item. The rest was just kind of like not interesting. So there's that. Now I don't know how much my glam bag is worth because I never made it to that screen where it showed me all my products and gave me my total value. So I'm not sure, but let's go over Elizabeth Francis's bag. She has sent me her bag every month since the beginning of Ipsy Plus and picking products. So let's go over what she got. So Ipsy actually picked the Violet Voss Coral Pop eyeshadow palette for her, which I did receive in my Ipsy PR. It's really, really pretty, and the color is washed out on my camera for some reason, and it's actually really, really like pop, like Coral Pop pops. That would be a really pretty under the eye color, so much. And then she also was picked the Yinsa bronzer, which, you know, you guys know I'm just like me. And then her first choices were the Sugar Rush Lip Slip Vegan Lip Oil, which I have on right now, and it tastes and smells like candy. Oh, this stuff was so good. I love this stuff. So I can't remember what she picked, but we'll get to it in a minute. And then she had the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. That's amazing. She had 2 of the Item Beauty lip glazes, the Cheyenne Be Miami palette, and the Tristique bronzer. So I think here she had a little bit more of a better selection. Now, I was just complaining about the lip products, but I really wanted this one, and I didn't get it in a choice, so thank gosh I got it sent to me from Ipsy. But I liked this category better because there was more of a selection. Not necessarily, but there's a skincare item, so I guess, you know, whatever. And then, so what was strange is that she also got for her second choice the other Tarte product. Like, I couldn't get any of them, and she got one in each category, which was the only 2 shades, which that's what this one is. So that's why I didn't get a choice for this, is because they probably sold out because people were like, I want both of them. But she got this, and then she got a Color Club Duo nail polish, and then the 2 Complex Culture tinted lip creams in Mauve Nude and Espresso, which is one less color than me. The color for the nail polish, I'm not into the blue, but I do have to say, even though I'm like no nail polish in the $25 bag, I do like that it's a duo, so you do get 2 for 1. So I like that. And then her third product was the same choices as me, except for she had the Ofra Cosmetics Natural Lip Gloss, which I would have picked out of all of them. Not really. I would have picked the Julep again, but if I had a second choice, I'd pick the Ofra. So she wound up picking the Murad, the nail polish, and the lip mask. So she got a total value of $193, which I actually think looks pretty good for a bag. She's got a mix of items here that actually look really, really nice. And it's just when you see them in your choice category of what you can choose from is when it's like, wow, this kind of sucks. But then your bag still turns out to be good, but like the product choices suck. Let me know if you agree. Now, the last bag that we're going to talk about is from Lace G21 over on Instagram. So she had a total bag worth of $124. So let's go over her products. So Ipsy actually chose the Complex Culture palette for her as well as what I was picked. And then they also picked the Tristique mascara, which Ipsy sent me this month. Here it is right here. And it has this like little doodad to curl your lashes, which I think is ridiculous because you have to do it in sections because it's so small. And then her first product choices was the Item Beauty Lip Glazes, the Face Filter Blurring and Priming Moisturizer from Tristique, the Cheyenne B by Emmy eyeshadow palette, and the Tristique bronzer. So pretty much a lot of us had the same like first choice category, give or take an item or two. Second product, she had the Tula masks, the Color Club polishes, and Rusty Rose and Mauve Nude in the Complex Culture lip creams. And then she had the same third choices as Elizabeth did with the Ofra Cosmetics. So we all had the same choices except for one item. And so far, a lot of people just are not into it. So I want to know down below, what did you have in your choices? Did you like your choices? Did you like your overall bag when you looked at it if you weren't actually looking at the choices? So did you like what you picked? What did you pick? I want to know all your thoughts and opinions down below. As always, you guys know I love to hear them. I love to talk about them. And I want this to be a place on the second and third of every month, because it's not the second, it's the third, because I was really tired yesterday, where we can go and just talk as a big makeup loving community down in the comments, talk to each other and discuss our bags. So that is what I would like this video to be about. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!